Can you put this over there for me? Thank you. Wow. They need to put a thing in between here. You can't see nothing but light. We should get a towel and put right here.
Get a towel put over there?
So it'll soak up the snow. You know that, not acting like a person that never, you know what I mean?
Yeah, because you gotta get used to it.
Microphone check, 1, 2.
How long has it been?
Huh?
How long has it been? Like an hour now? Over an hour?
Do you see how this road looks right here?
I get that, we have a very important situation going on.
Well, I can only, like, I've been driving like an old lady doing 20 miles an hour. I picked up that Starbucks, and then I got on the highway, and the highway looked like this. So I had refused to take the highway, so I had to take the 15th Street, you know, the street that Duncan is on.
Yeah. I can't.
I took that all the way to the drop off, which the drop off was supposed to be 15 minutes from the restaurant. It probably took me like 30. And I said that I would come here after I dropped off that catering order.
Oh, so thank God you did the catering order, cause
That's all I did. I did that Starbucks. That was the first one when I left here, and then I had the catering order I picked in the lobby. I didn't even get that footage because like soon as I got there, you messaged me talking about this is more important, and I'm like, what am I supposed to do? Like I'm driving in a snowstorm, like we're in a place where they're not used to getting snow like this.
okay, well,
like I can't. Like what am I supposed to do? Like, and then I have ADD, so I have to sit my ass here and focus and get the shit done. If I'm sitting in the car, it's gonna take me forever to get everything I need.
do you want to see the message?
No, he just wants more of my information. They should have asked for this shit the first day.
I know, but I'm like.
So, but I have to sit here, and he wants the last 60 days, so I have to copy and paste. I have to screenshot my bank account thing. Yeah. So I have to sit here and focus. Okay. I think you don't understand what ADD is. It's attention deficit disorder. So, like, if I'm doing something and I need to do something, like I need to be focused.
Okay, so I'm gonna get out your way.
So I guess I just gotta sit there and just chill out. I haven't even looked for it. I thought you had it. Jeez.
Alright guys, we made it. I can tell you what, my basketball practice wasn't that live. That basketball practice is live up in here, bro. That's awesome. A little bit of spillage in one of these bags I saw. Gotta clean that out when I get there. Those freaking tins. It's all good though. That one was
you think it was gonna run away if you
$105, guys.
Huh?
Pretty sure that was the base no tipper one. Pretty sure that's what happened there. But anyways, guys, I do appreciate you guys watching, subscribing, liking, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm out of breath. Going up and down the dang stairs. Yeah, I'm fat. Anyway, guys, so we had stopped the video yesterday, and we ended up dropping a order for today, so we only have one today. So I'm just going to put this in here with this video before I release it today. That's what I'm going to do. I also wanted to... say that I did see that Deliver That dropped their quarterly bonus into the account.
Only thing gonna happen is the heat gonna come on, and then it's gonna get super hot in that room.
Silver. Pretty awesome. That just hit bing right there. But right now we're going to be dropping off this order right here from another broken egg. Drop this off, and that will do it for the video. I knew I said I wanted to make it shorter. It was already 22 minutes. Now this is going to be at least 25, 26 minutes. So
yeah.
Just watch the drop off, and that will do it for the video. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're here. We're parked over here. This is the.
Hey, I got a short fuse, y'all.
Yeah. Well, they heard you in the other segment. So guys.
No disrespect to the woman, you know, I love her very much, but sometimes, like, you know, I can't help like expressing the way I feel. You know what I mean? It's just how I feel that time.
It's expression.
I felt rushed, and I think I expressed that.
Yeah. So guys, the department that we last seen in the videos, if you watch TYT vlogs, I believe that was in the last. I don't think I didn't record in that house. But on TYT vlogs, if you go to @TYT vlogs, you'll see the house that we're supposed to be moving in. So go check that out. But they just called us. We've been waiting for them to reach out to us. And they reached out to us this morning, asked for Tyrone's information, because they have it online, of course.
That's TYT to y'all.
They had to ask for TYT's information, and he just sent over his information. Okay. So they probably will be getting in contact with us today, hopefully, of course not English, or tomorrow. What time we gotta check out of here tomorrow?
11 o'clock.
So hopefully, if they get in contact with us tonight before 8, then we just extend it another day, maybe. But the thing is, with me, he's saying I'm rushing and everything. But the thing is, I have to work Saturday, so I'm trying to be.
It's not like I'm talking about the situation that just happened in that last clip. That's what I'm talking about.
I know.
Anyway.
But, you know, I have to work Saturday, so I want us to be in our place by Saturday. So that I can commute to work. Or find a commute to work. And they have to get back to Arizona. And everything is times of the essence. And so when I was telling him stuff, it was like I knew that we were on a time. Everything is methodical right now, so it's like it's feng shui. So it's like don't mess up the feng shui. You know, you gotta be on time like this.
Maybe that's the New York in you. I don't have it. It might be on the same day, but I don't think so. That's why my clothes
So you lost that? You lost the box?
Yeah, I gave it to you. I know I gave it to you.
We knocked out some demolition.
So good. Hey, we got a special guest, guys. We have a special guest. Would you like to come say hello? Did I show y'all the snow? It's the worst thing that can happen to us right now, honestly. Cause I need to go. Oh wait, to get groceries, and I need to get my prescription. But yeah, it's snow, guys, and it's still snowing. I need gloves. We don't have gloves. Tyrone has gloves. That's okay. TYT has gloves. No. Special guest in the house. Okay. for you. She's like, I need gloves so she can play with the snow. Shasha want to ask you something.
What?
Can she hold your gloves?
The gloves ain't for playing in no snow.
Oh.
Do you know how the gloves get when those type of gloves get when they get wet?
No, I don't know. I just heard gloves. I didn't hear Pacific gloves.
I've never seen my gloves before.
No. Well, he doesn't have gloves, so you can't. You could just run in the snow, but just don't make. Dang, I'm sick. Where do I go? Saj, be respectful. Respect your elders. Just go out this way. Here, this way. Hold outside, guys. She's going to play in the snow. Say hi to Silver if you see Silver. I don't know. She gonna play with Silver. Silver's the new cat. Is my cat. He's my new orphan cat. I don't know where. I think he's in this. Oh, guys, y'all gotta see this. Y'all gotta see this treehouse. That's where I think Silver went. I think he went to the treehouse. There's a treehouse in the neighbor's backyard. But yeah, it's a Silver cat I met, and she was sitting by the door waiting. Throw her some food. If we would have fed her something, she probably would have been more friendly. But yeah, she came to say hello and she left. That's the right one. We going in the snow.
Oh, I almost forgot this card. That's what I was waiting for.
Oh, do you need to heat the car up first? I mean, I can wait for you. He said no, y'all. I was trying to know what my damn lip gloss was. Probably in that pink now. Oh, my lip gloss.
It's popping. It's popping.
Look at it, y'all. Look at it. Snow. So let the sun still begin. Heavy, heavy, step on me. Guaranteed to make it right. Dude.
It is a winter wonderland.
And I got on Crocs.
And she got on Crocs.
And I got on Crocs. Crocs life. It's Crocs life. So, you didn't want to warm the car up. Silva, is that you? One of the cats is over there. Is that you, Silva? Dude, I'm about to walk on ice. Wait, hold up. There's ice down here. That's my truck. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hey. Oh god. Dude. Wow. Look at the snow going in the car, and I'm just standing there like letting it go in. Oh my god, it's cold. It's not that bad, like it's just cold, but it ain't that bad.
cold.
Ain't cold.
See, I got my hoodie on.
Yup. And y'all, I know I need to buy a coat, but I haven't purchased a coat because I don't want to purchase a coat until after I move. Because I'd rather be freezing.
It's a Burlington right around the corner.
I'd rather be freezing cold than homeless. Wait. I think this is silver. Not silver. Silver. All the way silver. It's a whole
bunch of gray cats out there. Cats.
He better not hear about a car.
They used to this.
Oh my gosh. Where is he going? Ugh, right in the middle of the street.
Yeah, you know where he going? You know his hood. I can't believe you on. Aw, I put my camera right in the way. I can't believe you don't know the. You ain't never seen that cartoon Top Cat.
Top Cat?
Yeah, Top Cat.
And that's the way it is.
No, with Officer Quimby.
I think
it was
so.
a Hanna-Barbera cartoon. It was about like this cats living in the alley. They was alley cats.
I think I seen that.
I need to be in frame. Thank you.
I definitely think I saw that. But I was thinking maybe we just go to Target since it's oh well, we gotta
Target
go to Walgreens. What? Is Walmart in that direction?
For what? What are you trying? I thought you was getting your medicine.
I'm getting my prescription. Okay. I'm getting my prescription, and then I said I had to get dinner. What we gonna eat for dinner?
Okay, hurry up. Like we should have been left. Side roads.
How unprofessional is that? Low budget filming.
She thinks stuff's supposed to happen like this. Like people, like the only thing he doing is trying to get us in that place. Like we are not the only thing he doing to. You know what I mean?
Oh look at this. We right.
I told you that yesterday when.
Y'all, we right
when
in
we
that.
left Starbucks, I said, watch how close we is to the Airbnb. You don't remember that?
Me and Sash could have come over here and hung out, but shit, it had to snow. I even told her, I was like, yeah, we're going to get up in the morning, we're going to go over to the mall.
Remember I said we can walk to Five Below?
Yeah.
You don't remember me saying that? When we was looking for the charger, and he was like, yeah, we could.
We wasn't emphasizing on it. We was just like,
it's right there. Like, I thought you knew from yesterday we were sitting here, and then I pulled off and I said, look how quick we're going to get to our Airbnb, and then...
Bada bing, bada boom.
Anyway, I shouldn't expect you to remember stuff like that. You never do. That's what I'm saying. I shouldn't expect you to remember stuff like that.
So right now we're on our way to Walgreens to get my prescription, and then we need to hit up a grocery store or something. It could be somewhere over here, depending on how the roads are. We need to get some pasta and spaghetti sauce, and we're gonna make some spaghetti tonight with some soda and I think that's it. I was gonna say garlic bread, I think that's it. Because tomorrow's checkout time, so.
And all this stuff that we gotta figure out how to fit in the car.
Oh my god.
I don't even think I took everything out this time, did I? Yeah, most of it, rolls and stuff.
It's not that bad out here. The roads ain't that bad. I'm gonna let y'all see the roads. I know y'all like, show us the fucking dollars. The dollars. Nah. Y'all don't want to see the roads that bad, but I mean, just in case y'all do, I'm gonna cut that part out. because I've been playing too much. Sometimes I play too much. Ooh, my camera's shaking like crazy. This is not cool. That's all. I can still see stuff. It's a little shaky.
Like I said, the main streets, you know, they're gonna plow those. They're gonna get those on, but the side streets, they ain't working on the damn side streets right now. So when you was asking like, but how do you think the road's gonna be? I said the roads is gonna be fine now. This morning, everybody waking up going to work, and you got snow all on the ground, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you couldn't even see the ground. You know, like how it first snows, and then you just gotta follow the tracks in the snow, the car tracks in the snow.
Sure do. I started to record y'all so people can get the heck out my way. Let's see where the soda is. I think soda's not this way. But I kind of want you ain't getting no more. This is she said she want bueno. That's what the candy and stuff is. Oh, the candy down this way. Alright. Finally, a lane with nobody in it. Ugh. But you know what? People are getting their food and stuff. It's kind of crowded because of the snowstorm and whatnot. Let's see. Alright, so I'm looking for bueno. Click down. Nope.
Can't forget the lorries, y'all. Man, I've been needing this for like the whole time we've been here, so. We in Walmart, man. We shopping and we getting dinner together. You know, but then she got to keep sauce with the rice. Vlogs on vlogs on vlogs on vlogs on vlogs. But we making spaghetti tonight, y'all. So, or she's making spaghetti.
Yes, spaghetti. Looking for bueno. Trailer will be here soon. What? Trailer will be here soon. What the fuck are they talking about? Fruit and nut, fruit and nut. Who else love fruit and nut? I love fruit and nut. That's my favorite candy. It's fruit and nut. The little one was bueno, but they don't have any. They only have the other one that I don't think she likes.
Walmart.
But I'm gonna just get her this one. Right here.
That's a lot of money to give up. If they got Ezekiel. Thank you.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna look. Yeah. He don't wear nothing at. Yeah, he was butt dialing me.
How was I butt dialing when the phone is in this pocket? Who the hell puts their phone in their back pocket for girls? Dude's pocket.
Oh gosh. I'm just teasing. A silly Willy.
Yeah, just go get in the car. Don't help me.
Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. I'll take them out. Just you put them in, I'll take them out.
No, it's not.
It's a long vlog.
Cause you keep vlogging every little bit and piece of everything we're doing, and it's just like.
Don't be messing up my vlog, talking that mess. Cause they didn't see me turn you into a vampire yet.
Ain't no goddamn vampire.
But biting your neck. I'm thinking about that movie I was watching.
Her sense of humor is like
horrid. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna leave y'all alone.
I started it because I said,
no, I'm just saying, now you got me saying it. Ain't no conversation about it. It's what it is.
y'all, I need to learn how to tackle people because I want to tackle them so bad.
Just a conversation starter.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's so cool. Sheesh. I like getting whoopings. I'm used to it. Shoot, as a kid, my grandfather, like, they used to have a belt hung up on the. You remember my auntie's house?
I seen it too.
You seen the belt hung
Y'all
up?
used to be with that? Yeah, I seen it.
Same type of belt.
Damn. That's right.
You saw the belt hanging up. I was like, they
I was
still.
wondering if you was getting
Back in the day, my grandfather had one hung up, like, cause his room had the curtain didn't have no door on there, just had a curtain, so it had a little rod at the top, and the belt would be hanging from that rod.
That's to tell y'all.
Yeah, we were bass around here.
Yup. Y'all don't get out of line.
Shoot, you can see it right when you walk in the door too.
Don't
Shoot.
come in here and get out of line because
You be standing in that dining room, showing your ass, and they be like, they just point at the belt hanging up there. Yeah, all right, keep playing.
Oh shit. Man, I was the type of kid that I was very emotional as a child too.
Shoot, all you gotta do is pull a belt out and you just start crying.
No, like.
That's how I'm talking about, like, when we was kids, like, get that belt. No! You just
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Well, see, I only got beat like twice. That's it. I only got beat twice, but then
You said, you call it beat. It's just whoopings. It's just a whooping. It's not a beat. It's not like you
that's
beat.
what they call it.
No, you call them whooping.
Whoopings. No, it's beat. Don't try to sugarcoat that shit. It's a beat there. It's a
No, that sounds brutal. Beatings.
beat.
No, we get whoopings.
Man, I would be so fucking pissed and emotionally hurt and damaged when I got my ass beat that I never wanted to see that person ever again because it was mostly people like the babysitters that used to do it.
Yeah.
It was always the freaking babysitters. I think my mom only beat me twice.
Like, as a kid, like, it was a thing. Oh, I told you this before, you didn't believe it. But, like, if you be outside, acting a fool, shoot, a neighbor, they'll whoop your ass and then take you home, and then your parents will whoop your ass.
That never happened to me. I'm fucking that neighbor up.
But no, like, we talking about neighbors that, like, your parents grew up with them, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I know what you're
Like,
talking about. We used to just hide from them. Like, we see them coming. They was coming. We see them.
off to work.
See ya, honey. See ya.
Sorry.
Don't forget about me. Au revoir. Au revoir.